Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Here Again by Elevation Worship. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
Can't go back to the beginning. Can't control what tomorrow will bring. But I know here in the middle is the place where you promise to be. Not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again? As I walk down through the valley, let your love rise above every fear. Like the sun shaping the shadow, in my weakness your glory appears. Not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Will you meet me here again? Not for a minute was I forsaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Come, Holy Spirit, dry bones awaken. The Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. Not enough unless you come. Will you meet me here again? 'Cause all I want is all you are. Won't you meet me here again?
Alright, so for this song we're just going to be using 4 easy chords from the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, which looks like this. We also have the D over F sharp, which looks like this. Again, we're going to use all 6 strings for this chord. We have an E minor 7 that looks like this, also using all 6 strings. And And then we're going to have a C add 9 chord, which is a good C alternative in the G chord family. And for this chord, we need to not strum that low E string. We've got to start our strumming on the A string. So I'm going to take my thumb and just touch that E string to mute it, just in case I accidentally hit it while I'm strumming. And that's it for the chords. And the great thing about these variations is that we never have to move our third and fourth finger for the entire song. They get to stay right where they are. So these variations are going to make transitioning a lot easier. For the strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. It's important to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3, so every other beat we're going to strum harder. So I'm just going to hold that G chord and play that strum pattern so you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.